Another pull as we go to the vertical again. Another roll and a half on the way up. And then put up over the top. Lets it float just a little bit to round it out. Now points the nose straight back down to show center. I'll tell you, there was plenty of World War II infantrymen and such who loved to hear the sound of the engine when they were in Europe and on the ground fighting. After the B-51s would escort the bombers from England over to Europe and come back to take targets of choice. And that was given their opportunity to go after tanks, trains, what have you, with the Mustang. And then to protect troops if they were so inclined and they found some troops that perhaps might be hidden down someplace. The airplane was not